If you are one of the people looking for a completely free method, PC and you still haven't been able to fix and recover your cell phone, well, don't worry, because in this video tutorial we're going to explain everything step by step. I'm doing this because the idea here is that I can fix and recover your device. We're going to click here on Skip. We're going to click here on Skip and we're going to connect to a Wi-Fi network. Now what we're going to do is get to where. That's where it all started. Here we can see what that little padlock is that appears here on the left side. The top part is, as we have indicated, we need to be connected to a network. Wi-Fi to be able to solve and recover our cell phone. What are we going to do now? We're going to arrive. Where is it going to appear? Is that going to appear? Screen lock and we'll see what that Google account is. We'll get to that point, and then when we get there, everything will appear. We will be doing all the necessary steps to recover our phone. We're almost there. Now we're going to reach this point where it asks us. We're going to click here where it says, do not copy. We'll tell you where it says, do not copy, then we'll click here where it says, do not copy. Let's click where it says, use my Google account. Let's select this option that says, use my Google account, here. It would take us to where that blockage will appear. The screen we can see here shows us what that Google account is. Now, what you're going to do is this to enable a function, which would help us recover our phone later. We're going to click here where it says, forget Gmail, here we go, write the following, click next. Here again you're going to write this, you write this here too. You click next, then what you're going to do is do this for 30 seconds. After those 30 seconds we would be returning what? It's about going back to be able to fix and remove what is. It's the little padlock we have here in the upper left corner. We're going to click on it. Let's click on it. Let's click on the next one. Next and next and next and next and next. We're going to click here now. Now that those 30 seconds have passed, what we're going to do is, what to do now is to take back what is backwards. Here we can see what was enabled for us, what F. It got stuck, which is also good that it got stuck. Locked here, you will press the power button and the volume up button. And volume down at the same time, you're going to press those two buttons here. I would be enabling what is, you are going to draw a letter L backwards, 1. Letter L backwards, 1 letter L backwards, 1 letter here backwards from above. Down now you're going to press again, you're going to press these again. 2 buttons until you deactivate what that talkback is. When it has been deactivated we go back, now we click towards. Go ahead, and now when we get here, click here where it says Motorola. We go down to the last option, then we go down here where it says Motorola.com support now when we're here at Motorola. At the support point, we're going to click on this profile that appears here. We're going to click here on Google and select the option that says Help. We select the Help option here, we click on the magnifying glass. We're giving it to you in the letters above, Lupita and the letters above. The idea here is that you leave this option selected. Now that it's selected, click here. In the Share section, you'll select the Message option. Let's select the Message option, we select New Message. Now, while you're here, you type any number, click on it. Click here on the little camera, then on the little cross, then on the little camera again. You granted these permissions and then you take a picture of it. Now that you've taken a picture, this cool little thing will be here. You're going to click the check mark, then select the photo. Then you click on the share option and now you're going to look for this Google Maps option. You're going to select this Google Maps option, you're going to click here on skip. You click here on all permissions, then you click on cancel and then you click on the X. Now it will look something like this. You're going to click on this profile, on this little ball. You go to settings, then you go here to notifications. All these notifications are enabled. You click on location, you click OK, then you click on accessibility and enable this option, then click here in setting. From Google Location Services, and then select this option from all of them. You tap the three dots, Show System. You will see Google Play Services here. This magnifying glass will appear. You're going to make it accessible. Accessibility. Let's click on Accessibility. We click here on the Accessibility menu and enable it. This menu is already enabled. Now what we're going to do is go back. We'll delete this and add apps. Then we click on this option that appears here, we select it. Then we click here where it says battery usage and then what we're going to do is search for Google Play Services. You're going to disable it, OK, and now what we're going to do. It's a forced restart by pressing volume. Press and hold the volume down and power buttons simultaneously to restart this phone. OK, now we're going to wait for our phone to restart. Once it restarts, we will finalize this recovery process. We'll wait here a few seconds. This section will take us to the next one. We click Accept and Continue. Now we go back. We click here to continue offline, we click here to accept, and now we are left with this error. Now we go back, we reconnect. Now we go back. Let's go back, we click back. Then we click forward several times like this. Now that we're here at Motorola, we're giving you privacy advice here at Motorola. We're giving you the last option again, the last option. Then we'll go to this profile, we'll click on it, now we'll go to Motorola. We selected help here again, we're going to do the same thing here. We do the same, we click here on share. Well, I don't think this option is available here anymore. So we go back, we press here again, we press jump. So we click here and we give it accessibility. Click here on this magnifying glass and write apps here. We write apps, we give it the same option. We click here on battery usage and look for Google Play Services. Here it is, now we've enabled it. We go back and back. Click here where it says Continue Offline. We click Accept and Continue, and he takes us to Google Services. We click Accept, then skip here and click Finish. He knows if what needs to be done is to restore phone so you don't miss any mistakes.